Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes fixed run command not saving history windows. Click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click General, turn on Let Windows improve start and search results by tracking app launches. If this is grayed out, use Registry method. Type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Click and expand H-key current user, click and expand software, click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Windows, click and expand current version, click and expand Explorer. Click Advanced. Create new DWord named as start_track docs, change value data to 1. Restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.